Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the crypto markets as we do on Monday. So starting from the weekly chart as usual on the Bitcoin market. On the Bitcoin in general, we're have the clarity on our long-term perspective and our major target. So because we have discussed this in the last week as well, and we have come to conclusion that market is coming to the major support area. This is relatively wide range. On the weekly chart, maybe it's not really very wide, but on the daily it's really significant. So approximately between the 64 and 72 area. 72 is the major 618 support. It also creates the agreement with this major AB equals city pattern on the weekly chart. 64, it's some extended targets on the daily chart. XOP target of this AB city pattern and some other targets. So that is the range that market should reach. So that will be also very important level, because if market still has long-term bullish potential, it should stop somewhere in this area and turning up again. If this will not happen, the market will break this level, starting down right back to the bottoms of the 30 even. Well, that will be a very negative sign. It will mean that we could go to major weekly XOP, which stands approximately around 20 even area. So, but currently we are mostly focused on this level. In general, in this ABCD retracement, deep retracement, it's nothing really outstanding, nothing negative, because this is normal action. When the market forms the first upward reversal swing, deep retracement is normal action. So ABCD action is absolutely natural in this current environment, because the bearish momentum that was standing on the market for a long time still stands here, and it's pressing and should be faded by the price action. So that's just the rest of the impact of the bearish momentum that stands in the market. That's why traders usually talk and use it as a rule of thumb: buy first ABCD retracement at the reversal swing. So this is very common price action. Now we're watching for it. The breakout of this level, this will be something really warning in all this stuff. But here it's a normal destination point, and we are watching for when the market will hit it. So it's no surprises on the high time frames. Meantime, on the shorter term, on the daily intraday charts, we were talking about the possible retracement here, because market has formed minor reversal candle, and it was some chances for deeper pullback. So we haven't considered it as some reversal, some bullish reversal. It was just a possible retracement, but it could be slightly more extended than just minor pullback here. But based on the price action that we see right now on intraday charts, we suggest that currently it's not good time for taking the long position, because market currently is moving back to these lows, and chances on the breakout challenging of these lows and fast acceleration here stands really high. So because market has formed the bearish grabber here, this grabber has not been cancelled within the whole previous week, and now market is standing lower. So currently it seems that market is preparing for the breaking of these lows. Here you also could see kind of the bearish dynamic pressure is growing, because you can see that trend has turned bullish, but price action is not. It's drifting lower. So it means that with this acceleration down, we finally could reach see the reaching of the butterfly. Actually, take a look. It's 1618 extension coincides with the weekly major FIB support, and potentially it also could be reaching of the 64 area, which is the XOP of this initial ABC top pattern on the daily chart. So hardly XOP will be hit within this week, because you can see it stands below the daily result. But potentially this could happen, because it's very difficult to suggest how strong this reaction will be. Well, on the intraday charts, you could see what really has happened. That's our previous picture, and we said if you would like to take the long position, in fact, you have the only one area to do this, is this 618 support, and place stop slightly below it. As you can see, indeed, reaction on the 618 support has happened. So market has shown the first bounce here up, the second touch, another bounce has started. So it was pretty much time to move your stops to the break even and turn straight to the riskless one. But at the same time, we said in the last update that that also will be the vital area. If market will break it down, it will mean that we can't count anymore on this possible upward retracement, deeper retracement, and we should be prepared for a possible challenging of these lows and breaking it down. So now this has happened. You can see market has dropped below it, retested this level and dropped again, and now stands under this level. So in fact, no significant support stands between current market and these lows. It easily could be broken down. So it means that currently, at least technically, situation looks really weak from the bullish point of view, and personally I think that currently we do not have any reasons, no sufficient context for taking any long positions. Of course, on the Bitcoin it's really unpredictable in recent time and everything could happen, but based on the technical picture I see right now, the breakout of the major level, weak reaction on some patterns, you can see this Gartner's triple two pattern has been formed, just minor 30% retracement has happened here. No upward continuation has followed. Market has raised this A, B, C, D potential pattern. All this stuff point on the weakness on the market. And from that standpoint, I do not see good context for any bull trade currently on the Bitcoin market. For the bears, well, for example, you could use again stop sell order below these lows. As soon as market will break this level, well, it will be very significant, and it seems that the next level will be already 72 even. So it's $400 for one coin. This will be potential of the drop. Besides, we should treat the 72 area not as just precise level. That will be some range, because this is the weekly chart, and market probably will fluctuate around it. So depending on what really volume of the sell-off will follow or something of that sort. So that's our view currently on the Bitcoin market. So our here market finally has broken bullish context totally, absolutely. Here we do not have any good signs, good sufficient context for taking the long position. For taking the short position, well, if there will be formed some bearish continuation patterns, you could try them to take, or keep watching for a possible breakout and using of the stop sell order maybe slightly above these lows, around 77 area, somewhere, just to place stop not below this level but slightly above it, because when the market will break below it, it's already will be some fast acceleration, and you could get execution by a sell order significantly lower. So that's approximately what we see on the Bitcoin market. Let's see what we'll get this week.